Imagine walking into your living room, and instead of a normal television on the wall, you see a beautiful, slim panel standing like a piece of art. With one gentle touch, the screen slowly unfolds. Once, twice, and suddenly, your ordinary TV transforms into a massive cinematic display. Not just bigger, but smarter, more flexible, and more futuristic than anything you have ever seen before. This is not science fiction. This is the Trifold TV. Today, you are about to discover how this revolutionary screen works, where the idea came from, which companies are racing to launch it first, and why Trifold televisions are about to completely change the way we watch, work, and play. Stay till the end, because what you're about to see is the future of home entertainment. When flat TVs replaced box televisions, the world thought the evolution was complete. Then came curved screens, OLED, 8K, rollable displays, and now, something even more radical. The idea of a TV that can fold into 3 sections was born from the same technology that created foldable smartphones and tablets. But scaling that concept to a living room size screen was a challenge that many believed was impossible. The first serious concept of a trifold television came from Advanced Display Research Labs. Working on flexible OLED and micro-LED panels, engineers realized that if a phone could fold once, then a TV could fold twice. The result was a display that could collapse into a compact form and expand into a wall-sized cinema screen. This concept quickly caught the attention of major tech companies. Brands like Samsung, LG, TCL, and Sony started investing billions into foldable display research. Samsung was the first to tease a trifold screen concept at global tech expos, while LG followed with ultra-thin OLED folding prototypes. And TCL pushed the technology further by improving hinge, durability, and flexible glass layers. And Sony explored trifold panels for both entertainment and professional studio use. A trifold TV is built using 3 connected display panels, joined by ultra-precision hinges. These hinges are not normal mechanical parts. They are engineered to survive tens of thousands of folds without creating creases or cracks. The screen itself is made of flexible OLED or micro-LED material layered with ultra-thin glass, protective polymer, and anti-reflection coating. When folded, the TV becomes a compact vertical or horizontal unit. When unfolded, it transforms into a massive seamless display that looks like one continuous screen. There are sensors inside the hinges that automatically detect how far the screen is folded. The software instantly adjusts brightness, resolution, and aspect ratio so that no matter how you open it, the image looks perfect. Now imagine how this changes your lifestyle. In the morning, your trifold TV is folded into a small panel showing weather, news, and your calendar. In the afternoon, you open one fold and use it as a workstation for video editing, gaming, or online classes. At night, you fully unfold it and turn your room into a home cinema. One device, 3 screen sizes, unlimited possibilities. The visual quality of a trifold TV is beyond anything we have today. These displays support 8K resolution, HDR, Dolby Vision, and cinematic color accuracy. The flexible OLED technology allows deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and ultra-wide viewing angles. Even when folded, the screen remains crystal clear. The sound system is also redesigned. Instead of traditional speakers, trifold TVs use screen vibration audio technology where the entire panel acts as a speaker. The sound comes directly from the image, creating an immersive surround effect without bulky speakers. Gaming on a trifold TV feels unreal. With ultra-fast refresh rates, near-zero response time, and variable screen sizes, gamers can switch from handheld-style display to giant gaming wall in seconds. Cloud gaming, console gaming, and VR content feel more realistic than ever. For creators, this TV becomes a studio. You can edit videos on one panel, preview content on another, and keep chat or controls on the third. It replaces multiple monitors with one seamless screen. But the biggest benefit of a trifold TV is space freedom. Not everyone has a large living room, yet everyone wants a big screen. A trifold TV gives you both. When you need space, you fold it away. When you want a cinematic experience, you unfold it. It also saves energy by only lighting the active panels. If you are using just one fold, the other panels stay off, reducing power consumption. Now let's talk about the future. Tech companies are already working on second-generation trifold TVS that are thinner, lighter, and even wireless. In the future, these TVS will connect to smart homes, adjust lighting automatically, and even change screen shape depending on the content. Imagine a movie expanding the screen, a game reshaping the display, and a video call splitting the panel into sections. This is not just a television. It is a living, adaptive display. Trifold TVS are not meant to replace normal TVS immediately. They are the next premium evolution. Just like flat screens once replaced CRT televisions. At first, they will be expensive. But as production increases, prices will drop, and this technology will become common in homes, offices, and studios around the world. So remember this moment. You are witnessing the birth of a new era of screens. The trifold TV is not just a device. It is a glimpse into the future. And the future is unfolding right in front of you. The screen you are watching today is just the beginning. Because tomorrow, screens will no longer be fixed. They will be flexible, living, and alive. The trifold TV is not a gadget. It is a doorway into the future of entertainment. A future where your wall becomes a cinema, your room becomes a studio, and your imagination becomes the limit.